A lot of times bowlers can experience tightness and discomfort in their upper back and shoulders, and it's another perfect time to use the Physioball to stretch that out and feel a little rotation. You'll start seated, cross-legged in a comfortable position with the ball out in front of you, arms extended. You'll simply reach across side to side. Each time you rotate, you'll drop the arm that is on the side you're twisting towards. Every rotation, try to reach a little bit further. So you're guiding the ball and reaching it further away from you. It's a little bit of help to stabilize your upper body, but it's not doing the work. You are giving yourself the nice big stretch. Do a couple rotations side to side. Each one gets a little bit bigger. And then come back to a seated position in the center to finish.